everyone, today I will guide you how to post group in Care Software. To post group, we can do so from the main interface of the software. Click on Viral Marketing section. We can see post group here. Click on post group and set up the configuration here. The number of threads concurrently, we will set up it according to our devices. I will set up 8 threads or account post marks. So if you have 10 accounts, for example, so one account posts 5 groups, so 10 accounts will post marked 50 groups, and each account post marked 10 groups. So which account after posting 5 groups? So which account if you post errors? We will set up default 10 errors. Distance between 2 posts, we will set up default 20 to 30 seconds. And we will click here to configure posting for all accounts. If you haven't have content, so click on Content Management section and click on Add Category to add the new category. And we will click on Add Content with status or content with image. So choose category here and enter the title, enter the contents and choose image to create the content and save the content here. So after we created the contents, so click on choose content and click on the category list and load the contents. So click on the content you want to post and save the contents and post. Click here to post by group ID list. I will guide you how to use UID software to scan group data. Open UID software. First of all, you will add accounts to scan data. Add 2 or 3 accounts. Select category here. Choose format and save the accounts. And click on scan data groups here. As you can see, scan groups by keyword. Click here and enter keywords related to your list or your requirement and choose the category here. Set up the number of groups. You can set up it depending on your requirement: 100, 200, 500 or 1000. So after you set up the configurations, press start to run the feature. The data, so press stop here and export to Excel here and save it and open the Excel file here. So first of all, you will filter the uncensored group. Click on sort and filter and sort the uncensored group here and click on group UID and copy the UID group here to paste in the UID list and save it. And you also post to your account choice groups. Click here if you want to get random posts to post. Do not post in the same group. Do not post duplicate posts between accounts or allows automatic choice if unchoice groups. Attack background image when post status. Wait for the image to upload 3 seconds. And you can comment on the article after it is successfully posted. Please enter comment here, 1 comment per line, and save it. And so you will choose the account category and load the accounts. And after you have set up the configuration, so press start to run the feature.